All right, guys, main crop fig season is just starting. We've got a few main crops ready to harvest. So I thought I would do a little tasting. These are up here on the deck because we're getting tons of rain this week. And these are protected a little bit by the roof there so they don't get drenched. But we've got a Santa Cruz Dark, and this one came from the Ivy Organics giveaway last year. So I started it from a cutting, and it is ready to pick. All right, so we've got bags around some of these figs because I don't want the birds to get them. So that was a Santa Cruz Dark, and then we're also going to try this one here. This is the Black Ischia. We've got one there almost ready, but I think this one that I've got a bag around is even more ripe. So we're going to try these two. They're both very dark figs. Oh, the Black Ischia also came from Ivy Organics last year, so they've been doing really well, and these are the first figs that I've harvested off of both of these. So we're going to take a look at these, give them away, and also give them a taste, and we'll see how they are. All right, let's take them out of the bags and get a closer look at the outside. This one is the Black Ischia. Completely dark all around. And then this one is the Santa Cruz Dark, and it's got a little bit of green at the top there and is a little bit smaller and flatter. All right, let's weigh these guys. The Black Ischia got 37.4 grams, and Santa Cruz Dark is 25.3. All right, next we're going to take a look at the inside. So this is the Black Ischia. Very dark inside. And this is the Santa Cruz Dark. Not dark at all. It almost looks like a kiwi. So very different figs. All right, I think it's time to give these a little taste. We're going to start with the Black Ischia, the one with the dark center. It's definitely a light berry flavor. I'd say probably tastes closest to strawberry. A little bit of seed crunch, but not really much at all. All right, let's try our Santa Cruz Dark. Definitely not berry flavored, but I'm not sure what it tastes like. Kind of like a honey fig, but also maybe slightly melony. It's really good though. I think I do prefer berry figs, so I think I like the Black Ischia a little bit better, but they're both very good figs. And I didn't get really any seed crunch on this one. It's almost like jelly. Very good. Thanks to Ivy Organics for giving away all of those fig cuttings. He's been doing this every year for the past several years, and I think I've won pretty much every year. He gives away a ton of cuttings. So if you're interested in growing figs, definitely check out Ivy Organics giveaway. I think it happens usually the month of February, I believe. So follow him on Facebook and Instagram, and I'm sure I'll be posting about it as well when it happens. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.